ball to Babap. Babap wasting the clock. Gives the ball to Himan.
Oh! Wag naman sana magkagulo.
And
Wag naman
ayaw
sana.
natin mangyari yan. Ayaw natin mangyari yan, partner. We will enjoy this game and never.
Honorable Nelson Negacion, the City Mayor of Naga, along with his wife, Attorney Marion Negacion, the City Mayor of Camaligan, Honorable Jano Ibardalosa, the Vice President of UNC, Sir Chito Balmiano. We also have the Regional Director of SPP, Engineer Solomon Ngo. We have Sir Nonoy Magtoto, and the Provincial Director of PNP Kamsur, Colonel Julius Cesar Domingo. Our Commissioner, Sir Lloyd Rivera, and Assistant Commissioner, Ino Rivera.
Dito ang ating boss na si Congressman Zaldy is in the house to witness the 3-point shot made by J.R. Kenyan.
Yan.
A very big guard na si Santa Maria. Top of the key 3 kay Uvida. Bang!
What a shot from that big man.
Rebound, Dimon Aureliano. Aureliano gives the ball to Almario. Reverse shot. What a shot,
What a
partner!
shot!
What
Are
a
you
shot!
kidding me?
Burcio, aggressive against Fragoso. What a block by Fragoso. Struggling right now. What a Barde gives the ball to Aguvida. Block by Jamil Bulawan. Again, block.
Another block.
Inyahan, hands it off to Aureliano. Thinking 3, Aureliano spins. Block by Aquino. Kaya
What a defensive stop for Raymart Aquino.
1-on-1 against Pableo. Hands it off to Santa Maria. But Santa Maria is denied. Pero Santa Maria gets the ball. Jab step, in and out dribble. Santa Maria for 3. Finds the bottom of the net. Spot up Santa Maria.
Bawat possession dito ngayon.
Almario for 3. Finds the bottom of the net.
Shot.
Money for Jerome Almario. Here is Babap rushing. Babap stops for 3. No good. And that ends our first half. With sa pagwagi ng isang Yamahamba, Facio. Ayan na. Alexander Lim gives the ball to Kinyan.
One man is down. It's Jerome Almario. Hawak-hawak ang kanyang tiyan. We don't know exactly what happened before that. Pero parang may sinasabi siya na nasiko siya. Dikdikan po ang laban, 41-40. Naga, nakakalamag.
Yes, partner talaga. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging hatol ng ating mga referees kasi both coaches are now right now. Manoy, maganda kami sa'yo. Babap Santa Maria finds the bottom of the net and trailing the 3-point shot.
Yung inaantay ng mga taga-Camaligan.
Villaflor gives the ball to Almario, crosses the half-court line. Ayan na si Lim. Jump fakes, attacking. Gives the ball to Villaflor. Fake, step back 3. Kaboom!
Big shot.
That is a 3-point time talaga. Hindi na binintis. Ayan na si Almario. Rushing against Himan.
Good
Gives the
decision
ball.
on the part of
Betinilla for
Almario.
3. Kaboom!
Oh, big shot after big shot for
Tama.
Team Naga. Well,
Hats off kay Paulo for doing a great job. Ayan na si Lim. Hands it off to Almario. Almario spins. Almario. What a shot, partner.
Almario spins. Almario score.
No good. Santa Maria securing the possession. Santa Maria double team by Sablaon. Gives the ball to Fragoso. Hands it up to Babap for 3. No good. West diving for the ball. Ayan na si Sablaon. What a pass kay Tiburcio sa ilalim. Misses the shot. Gamel tips it in. Misses the shot.
And it's going to be Camaligan's ball dahil last touch nitong si Julius Tiburcio. Tayo.
Ulawan, top of the key free throw. What a pass. Gandang move galing kay Sam Madridano but misses. and he gets his own rebound and scoring for two.
What a veteran move from a young guy.
Yes, stop. No good. Rebound by Mon Aureliano. Aureliano gives the ball to Owemi Denilla. What a block by Fragoso. What a block. But the referees called for a foul. Pero partner, kita mo partner kung gaano ka-intense ang lipad ng dalawang player na yon. At Kinyan securing the rebound. Asuer, outlet sa Sablaon, gives the ball to Medinilla. And he was blocked by Kita Govida. Grabe partner.
Grabe.
Ayan na si Ignacio. Ignacio using the glass and scoring for two. Spin. J.R. Kinyan steals the ball. Almario stops. Almario kicks it out to Lim. Now, what a bad pass by Lim. Aquino is ahead against Kinyan. What a shot!
73-66. Tama, partner.
Yes, we are nearing the 2-minute mark sa ating laro. Ayan na si Agovida. Hands it up. But there is a Women Denilla blocking the shot. Ang speed ni Agovida over si kay Jamil Bulawan.
Oops, we have a foul away from the ball.
Yes, partner. That is not a good sign on the part of Bang Sablaon. Nakutakot siya dun, partner. Santa Maria, may pick. Santa Maria, long bomb. No good. Himan securing the ball. Gives the ball to Agovida. And wasting the clock. Ayan na si Himan. Attacks. Agovida for three.
And the basket will count.
For Kita Agovida.
We're witnessing the best game dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. And this is the game 2 ng ating championship series na tinaguriang Botahe en Grande. Ang pinakamasarap po ang aming inihain sa inyo ngayong gabi para po sa inyo, mga kababayang Bicolano.
Yes, partner. Woo! What more can you ask, partner? An exciting game, pero this is far from over. This is just 12-point lead. I guess 11-point lead with 1 minute. Anything is possible, partner. Kita mo naman during the Albay leg.
Tama,
and now,
tama.
tingnan natin.
Dapat hindi mawala ng pag-asa ang mga taga-Naga.
Ayan na, missing.
Yan.
The free throw is Agovida.
And that's a good gesture on the part of J.R. Kinyahan.
Nasablaon attacks. This is the shot. Pampleo with the rebound. Ayan na si Himan. Gives the ball to Babap. Babap wasting the clock. Gives the ball to Himan.
Oh! Wag naman sana magkagulo.
And
Wag naman
ayaw
sana.
natin mangyari yan. Ayaw natin mangyari yan, partner. We will enjoy this game and never cooler heads prevail, partner. This is the championship game.
Nagkakainitan. That's how big this game is para sa dalawang kupunan na ito. That's, grabe.
Yes, partner, this is, kumbaga,
Cool down tayo.
yes, indeed, what an
Indeed.
exciting ball game. Pero ayaw natin ng gano'n mga gestures, partner. Pero alam natin na very intense ang laro, kaya talagang nangyayari mga ganyang bagay, partner.
At maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.
Almario of Team Naga, disqualifying foul.
Disqualifying foul for Jerome Almario.
Free throws will be given to number 45, Himan of Camaligan.
Ayan, that's very clear. 2 free throws for
Ball
Liman.
possession.
Plus ball possession.
Technical foul on jersey number 25, Santa Maria. And double disqualifying foul on Bulawan and Pampleo. Resumption, 1 free throw for Naga. And 2 free throws for Himan of Camaligan. Thus, ball possession. Once again, Naga, 1 free throw.
At yun na nga, ang haba ng naging hatol. As we take a look at the replay of what happened there.
Players inside.
Yan po yung mga mainit na pangyayari kanina.
May umalis na yan, partner, pero punong-puno pa rin.
Parang nalungkot din ako bigla na nawala yung ibang mga players. And they were thrown out of this ball game.
Ayan na si Aguvida. Gives the ball to Ignacio with exactly 1 second remaining. Ayan na si Himan sa ilalim. Himan attacks. Kicks it out to Baba for 3. And I guess, partner, that is the nail in the coffin for this series. Baba with a 3-point bomb. Aureliano for 3.
That's his 5th personal foul. Excluded player.
And I guess Himan was committed he has 5 personal fouls.
Penalty.
And now Camaligan is now penalty kaya
Grabe.
Si technical foul po. Penalty.
grabe, partner. Sabi ko sa iyo during our first quarter, Babop is still struggling, but for sure alam naman natin
Ganun ka tindi
yes.
itong Babop Santa Maria.
He is a scoring god, partner, kaya anytime he can explode. So yun na nga, partner, timely shots on the part of Babop Santa Maria. Asuer is now in the line for his final free throw, makes the second one. And now si Ignacio. Wawa Ayo using the clock, cross court kay Ignacio. Ignacio gives the ball to Wawa with 30 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock.
They have 10 seconds to shoot.
Ayo to Aguvida. 5 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Aguvida for 3. And
Kung
partner,
yung tira kanina ni Babop Santa Maria nail in the coffin, what do you call that shot?
yes, yun ang partner ang pandiin. And that's it. The first ever Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur champion, Camaligan.
For the first placer, they will be awarded 150,000 pesos. Wow, napakalaking premyo. Congratulations, Team Naga. And of course, congratulations to the players.